Section number 9, Tilt Angle and Solar Panel Alignment. Lecture number 2, Solar Panel Alignment Part 2. Learning objectives of the lecture number 2. Learner should able to calculate the solar panel tilt angle. Learner should able to understand the solar panel alignment. Now, how to calculate the tilt angle? The simple formula is there. First point, the optimal tilt angle is calculated by adding 15 degrees to your latitude during winter and subtracting 15 degrees from your latitude during summer. This is a very basic and very simple formula. When we want to calculate a tilt angle in the winter, we just add 15 degree in the latitude, and when we want to calculate a tilt angle in the winter, we are subtracting 15 degrees from the latitude. Let's say for instance your latitude is 34 degrees. The optimal tilt angle for your solar panels during winter will be 34 plus 15, that is 49 degree. The summer optimal tilt angle on the other hand will be 34 minus 15 will be 19. So in winter season the tilt angle of a solar panel is 49 degree, and in summer season the tilt angle is 19 degree. There is a simple diagram has been given. This diagram is more simple and easy to understand the basic concept in the alignment of a solar system. So a solar panel is just inclined. We have to focus on the three main parameters. This first parameter, the sun at a summer solstice, the declination angle is minus 23.5. In the earlier lecture we have seen in detail that what is declination angle, what is summer solstice, winter solstice, equinoxes, all that. So we have to first focus on this parameter. Sun at summer solstice, declination is minus 23.5 degree. Sun at the equinoxes, that is the second point. Sun at equinoxes, declination angle is 0. So the angle between these equinoxes to this summer solstice, this angle is a difference between 23.5 degree. Third point is sun in the winter solstice, declination is 23.5. So basically the angle difference between the equinoxes and the winter solstice is 23.5 degree. Now it is very much important when we calculate or when we draw perpendicular to the solar panel. When we draw perpendicular to the solar panel, that time it will be found that with respect to this line, that is the sun at equinoxes, when declination angle is 0, with respect to 0 degree declination angle, this angle of perpendicular of solar radiation, this angle is 13 degree. In most of the earlier calculation we have seen that whenever we want to calculate or we want to set an solar panel, we are adding 15 degrees, but approximately this angle is 13 degrees. But in most of the cases in the northern hemisphere also, southern hemisphere also, by adding some correction factor, we are taking this angle as 15 degrees. In this diagram it has taken as 13 degrees, but taking some correction factors due to the earth geometry, this angle is 15 degree. So when we want to put a solar panel or put an alignment of a solar panel, we are calculating latitude plus 13 degree. You can also take latitude plus 15 degree for the winter solstice. And when we want to calculate a tilt angle for a summer, simply we take latitude minus of 13 degree, and more accurately the 15 degrees, you will get an inclination in the summer. So it is very simple that latitude plus 13 degree or 15 degree you can add by considering the error factor, and in the winter latitude minus of 13 degree or 15 degree by considering the error factor.